I'm Tom Ryan, Director of Operations here at Northeast Presbyterian Church. As many of you know, we're having a major construction project here all around the church as our roofs are being replaced. So I wanted to take this opportunity to share some safety tips with you so that your visit to campus is as safe as possible. Safety tip number 1, while walking your baby to Mother's Morning Out, don't cross the yellow line flags trying to get to where you're going sooner. Safety tip number 2, don't park right next to a dumpster, even if it looks like nothing's going on around you. And finally, safety tip number 3, our young children love big pieces of machinery. They love cranes and things like that, but this is not a toy. Do not let your children approach or get anywhere close to the tractors or the cranes, because otherwise this may happen to you. This has been Tom Ryan, Director of Operations, trying to keep you safe while you're on campus here at Northeast Presbyterian Church.